Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your Binance nickname. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your nickname in Binance, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And now, after opening the Binance application, you just simply have to tap into your profile picture into the top left corner. And after tapping there, just simply select your user profile. Now, after tapping into there, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to tap into this icon just beside your username. Tap there and then you will get the option to remove your current username. Just simply remove your current username and then you can add a new username for yourself. Just simply write down a new username which you would like to set and then tap to save button. And now it will give you this warning which says you can only change your username once per month. Then just simply tap to continue and your username, if it's not already taken, you can easily change it. And this way you can change your username into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to never miss another crypto help. Thank you for watching the video.